This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Tesla Roadster Easy full guide. Begin by sketching a smooth side profile using an oval for the cabin and longer arc for the hood. Block and wheel circles roughly 16:9 proportional spacing. Use light strokes and adjust proportions until the silhouette looks natural. Focus on overall flow before detailing door lines, mirrors, and lights. Keep eraser handy to refine curves and maintain symmetry. Lay in wheels as clean circles and anchor them on a single ground line to avoid a floating car. Indicate tire depth with a parallel inner ring and subtle tread marks using short strokes. Align wheel centers so the car reads balanced from the side view. Lightly sketch wheel wells that follow the body curve and avoid sharp corners. Keep adjustments simple and erase overlaps for a polished base. If you're enjoying the guide, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with their lifetime warranty for unbeatable comfort while you draw. They keep your feet happy during long sketch sessions and make taking breaks feel nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if that sounds good, grab a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Refine the cabin by drawing a smooth windshield and roofline that flows into the rear. Simplify headlights and taillights as geometric shapes, then add small reflective details to suggest glass. Sketch door seams and mirrors with light lines, maintaining proportion to the body. Add subtle hood and side panel creases to imply volume. Keep shading minimal at this stage so the design stays readable and ready for final line work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.